Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, I will solve square root of cosine x times sine cube of x dx. We will take this integral. Okay. Now, if we had here just one sine x, we could solve the integral easily because we would say that we would use substitution. We would say that cosine x is u and we could solve the integral easily, but we have here sine cube of x. So I will split this sine cube x into two parts. One sine square of x and second sine x. Okay, let me solve it like square root of cosine x, and I will write sine cube x as sine square of x times sine x dx. We know that cosine square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. Then this means that sine square of x is equal to 1 minus cosine square of x. I rewrite sine square of x as 1 minus cosine square of x. And the integral becomes square root of cosine x times 1 minus cosine square of x times sine x dx. Now, we have here a function of cosine x, and the derivative of cosine x is minus sine x, and its derivative here is multiplied by dx. If we have a function and if the function's derivative is multiplied by dx, we use substitution. Now we have cosine x here, and I will say that cosine x is equal to u. Then minus sine x times dx is du. This means that take the minus sign to the right side. Sine x times dx is equal to minus du. Now, we rewrite cosine x as u, and we rewrite sine x dx as minus du. The integral becomes square root of u times 1 minus u squared times minus du. Let this minus sign to the outside of the integral times du. Now I will write square root of u as u to the power of 1 over 2. Then the integral becomes u to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 is u to the power of 1 over 2, and we multiply u to the power of 1 over 2 by u to the power of 2, then 1 over 2 times minus u to the power of 5 over 2 times du. And let me split this integral into two parts. This will be equal to minus the integral of u to the power of 1 over 2 du and plus the integral u to the power of 5 over 2 du. We know that the integral of a power function, when we take the integral of a power function, we add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent. Now, the integral of x to the n is x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. Now, minus the integral of u to the power of 1 over 2. We add 1 to the exponent and divide by the new exponent, and plus u. We add 1 to the exponent and divide by the exponent. 1 over 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2 minus u to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus and 7 over 2 divided by 7 over 2. And we will take the reciprocal of 3 over 2 and 7 over 2 and multiply it. Then minus 2 over 3 times square root of u cube. U is cosine x, cosine cube x, and 2 over 7 times square root of u to the power of 7 cosine to the power of 7x, and we add a constant c because the integral was an indefinite integral, and the answer is this. But okay, 7. Okay, in the next video I will solve this problem, sine to the n of x, and n is odd function. See you in the next video.